this is Suboohi and today I'm gonna color my hair some purple and pink, and I already had this blonde hair color and I already put on my this hair color t-shirt which I always wear, and don't bother if it gets dirty. So without wasting time, let's get started. Alright, so for purple color I have this Manic Panic hair color. I got this color from Amazon few months back, and then recently here from Salala only I got this hair color Crazy Ray. And one of the girl on Instagram, she gave me very good reviews about this color and it's really cheap than Manic Panic, so I thought let's try it. And what's better if I get it here in Salala itself. So this one is pink like the one I did earlier, and this one is purple. So let's see how it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'll do this much, this much of hair I'll do pink, and on top I'll do purple, so it will be kind of ombre look, this much purple and this much purple, this much pink. So confusing. So let me just clip my hair. This looks more like a bubblegum pink, not too much of hot pink, but it's okay. First I'll do the pink, so I'll have a little idea for doing purple. The best part of these semi-permanent colors are they are ammonia free, and you don't actually need hairbrush also. I can just do it much better with my hands. Looking so nice pink. My hair are loving my nose. So irritating. That's how I did pink, just on the ends. Now let's do the purple color from Manic Panic. Look at this. It's nice purple. Now with this purple, it will look quite blended, First black, then purple, then pink. Dark, lighter, lightest. Also, I'm gonna do this purple color on my grey hair. So I'm gonna keep it for an hour and then I'm gonna wash it. Okay, so without even washing, I'm so impressed and can't just wait to wash it. This ombre color is going to look amazing. Wait for it. And that's how my hair looks like finally. Yay! And actually, let me tell you the secret. This color I was quite excited about in the beginning of the video, but this color was a big time disappointment. Big time, trust me. This Crazy Ray. Even if someone is giving this color to me for free, I'm not going to use it because this color doesn't stay on my hair. When I went for washing for the first time after coloring my hair, as I just shown in the video, and the color kept coming off, and the water was not coming out clear. It was kept coming out pink, and when I finally gave up, towel dried my hair, it actually spoiled my cute night dress, which was clearly more expensive than this hair color, and the hair looked like as if it's been a month I have used my Manic Panic hair color. It was looking like that. And I again sat and did my Manic Panic hair color, and after washing, that's how my hair looks like. And now I'm quite happy. See the nice purple and then pink ends.